Oboe Files! I hope you enjoyed that arrangement of Believer by Imagine Dragons. I realized that I never did anything to celebrate reaching 1,000 subscribers, and I really appreciate your support. Thank you so much for subscribing and leaving comments, hitting that thumbs up button. It really means a lot to me. To show my gratitude, I'm going to have a drawing, and the prize is going to be a free virtual lesson. So if you want to work on anything music related, oboe, it could be some classical stuff, it could be some etudes, it could be a pop tune, I'd love to work with you. A virtual lesson for free. And all you have to do is make sure you're subscribed, leave a comment below. I'll just make a random number generator and pick someone who's done both those things, subscribe and leave a comment on this video. And yeah, see future video comments and things, and when there's enough people in a couple weeks, I will have the drawing and I'll let you know who wins to have a free virtual lesson. As always, when in doubt, play beautifully.